Service rates and pricing structure. The key to hitting 10K a month lies in how much you charge. Most emergency plumbers have two-tier pricing. Base hourly rate, $100–$200 for normal calls. Emergency surcharge extra $100–$250 for after hours, weekends, or holidays. Common jobs and what they bring in. Clofter hours at $300–$450, burst pipe repair $500–$200, sewer line blockages $600–$500, a water heater replacement $500–$500, toilet replacement $300–$700. The beauty of plumbing is that many jobs require parts that cost $28–$50, but the service itself commands hundreds because of the urgency and expertise involved.